one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lions that we have. You know what? He is the handsome one. Oh, nice smile boy. His name is Vincent, together with Rainer Bond. Say hi to everyone. And on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And you know what? She is the cutest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Isabel, together with Rainer Chucky. Say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why their coat paint are better for these marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers? And the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing zeros. The term pinnipeds, which may be also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right buddies? And you know, they may often be taken because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can turn their back flippers something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. A round of applause for sea lion friends. And you know, they also have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Check this out.
Whoa!
So flexible, right? How about a round of applause for sea lion friends?
Clap your hands, yeah.
As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They can play near fire bears and with them, sensitive, nice smile. Hey! Many also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water, and their small external ears, those are the most sensibly range both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shores, flat rocky cliffs with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check that out! Surely strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Vincent. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed of up to 25 miles per hour.
Whoa!
That was a short fast swim. A round of applause for Isabel.
Clap, clap! Cool!
And another one. She deserves it. Here's a interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yep, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes
Wow.
and can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, buddies, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now this time, let's march! Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! Okay, guys, this time would you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? At the count of three, everybody please salute
Salute ka,
and
Robin.
let's make this one loud. Are you ready, guys? Louder! Are you ready? Let's start counting. One. Salute everybody. Thank you very much.
Dapat tangan.
Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Then, first, the ring. How do you think they got the ring? Oh, good job! How about a round of applause for sea lion friends?
Clap go.
Okay, what's next? We have the ball. How do you think they got the ball? It's a ball balance. Steady, careful. Almost there. Fantastic! A round of applause for Sea Lion friends. I think we've got everything. The ball in the ring and the ring in the ball. Let's continue. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we have 6 South American trainer Chucky. Somebody's stopping you. What does she want? A fish? Can I continue? As I was saying, here in Manila Ocean Park, she's stopping you again. Maybe she wants to say something. Okay, you tell trainer Chucky. What did she say? We are not yet done. And why? There's one more missing object. Are you sure, Isabel? Let's ask Vincent. Hey, Vincent, is there one more missing object? No more. Okay, to be fair, let's ask the audience. Hey, guys, is there one more missing object?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Oh, you made Vincent sad. Hey, Isabel, cut it out. If there's one more missing object, could you please tell Vincent what it is? You say? A what? A gun. Are they right, Isabel? Well, I think it's a mission for us to search for the missing toy gun. Basanos. Is it there? Nothing? Well, let's keep searching. Don't stress too hard. Keep looking. So, anytime Jim? Nothing? Well, let's keep searching. Hey, careful, Isabel. You too, Vincent. Focus on the mission. Hey, Trainer Jackie, somebody's stopping you again. Maybe she wants to say something. What was that? She found it. Well, go ahead and prove it to us. Hey, Vincent, can Isabel find the gun? Well, let's just wait for her. And there she is. She found it. A round of applause for Isabel. Mission accomplished.
See ya.
We've come to the part of the show where we are going to invite one lucky audience to meet If you are willing to volunteer all your
Lisa, Lisa, Lisa,
and
bilis.
our trainers will choose
Lisa,
one.
bilis. Bilis.
Manila 2009. A round of applause for our lucky guest.
Okay na, be.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Siya.
Your first time winning a sea lion up close? First time? Well, a flipper shake is always appropriate. All you have to do is hold Vincent's flipper, look at the camera, and give your best smile. Vincent, is that a smile? Oh, there you go. Step aside, ma'am. Here's a trivia about the sea lion. Did you know that they have 34 to 38 canine teeth, especially designed for grasping and tearing their food? However, they don't chew it. They swallow it whole just like that. And voila, it's gone. How about more photos with Vincent? Hold Vincent's shoulder. Look at the camera and give your best smile pang Facebook profile. Okay, I think we're done. Time to say goodbye to our lucky guest, Vincent. Say goodbye now. No? Is there something else? Okay, you tell Trainer Bob. What did he say? Smile, you silly boy. You know what, Mom? Before you leave, Vincent would love to give you a goodbye. Oh, it is a kiss? I think it is. And you know what, Mom? The kiss should be on the lips, of course. Don't worry, scary. Put your hands at your back. Lean down, offer your lips, and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, and... How about another cheek this time? Offer your left kick. And give your best smile. Alright, and to try this one, how about a wackish... Another in there. Open your mouth. What? A round of applause for lucky guest.
Parang, baka.
Thank you, Mom. You may go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. My guys, I invite all of you to a full encounter with our sea lion friends at Marine Life Habitat, wherein you can get a kiss, a flipper shake, or a one shot just like that. If you're interested, all you have to do is sign up with our lovely photographers wearing neon green t-shirts on your exit area. Grab this opportunity right after the show. Okay, this time, dance number from our sea lion friends. You can do better than that. Would you love to see them dance?
Yes.
Hit it! and many marine animals cannot survive in the tropical environment, so let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as fishing and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are the stewards of our planet, and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Trainer Von Vincent, Trainer Chucky and Isabel, and all of us here at Aquatica and Manolia Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you there at Marine Life Habitat. And just a gentle reminder, kindly remain seated until the sea lions have left. Once again, please remain on your seats and do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.